Well, hello there, good people. Hi, I'm Jason with Green Country Agroforestry, and as you can see behind me there, this area where our corn patch is getting ready to get planted in is full of ducks. Now we've got fence set up around it to keep the ducks out, but they've been getting into this area somehow. I don't know how. They always do it when my back is turned. So we're going to leave the camera rolling, and hopefully we'll catch the ducks at the act, and that will let me know what I need to do to shore up my temporary fencing to keep them out of the corn patch. Very important because I'm going to be planting corn in the next 2 weeks. Guys, I don't need you. I don't need you in the corn right now. I don't need you in the corn right now. I don't know why I keep on having to do this, but I've told you once, I've told you half of the time, I don't need you in the corn right now. Go on. I don't know how these guys get in. Keep on going on. Keep walking. Keep walking. Keep walking. Guys, you know you aren't supposed to be in here. Get out of here. Go on. Go on. Go on. See, they're used to the routine by now, right? Oh, it's a game. But I have other chores to do, and I can't watch them all the time. I'm trying to set up a Gopher-proof bed over there so we can get some of our new stuff in. I've got oca and yacon and some other stuff that just got in, and I've got to get it into some soil, but fast. And I only have a few samples, so I don't want to lose them to gophers, if you understand what I'm talking about. It was that quick, huh? All right, let's take a look. Let's see what they did. Those little boogers. Do you see what they did? I thought that area was secure, and they just came right up and were able to push right under it. Slick as you please. So let's go fix that. All right, you're busted, girls. You are busted. We saw what you did. We saw everything. Look at this. What is this? This is not what you're supposed to be doing here, ladies. Not acceptable. Not acceptable behavior. Okay, here we go. Push until they go in. Put a brick on that. Get out. Get out of my corn patch. Get out of my corn patch. I don't want you in my corn patch. Get out of my corn patch. I will invite you in my corn patch if I want you in my corn patch. Get out of my corn patch. managed to position myself on the inside of the fence. Fortunately, long legs. Okay. So here's the challenge. Take two. Can the ducks get into my corn patch? They'll probably try again. Guys, you know you're not supposed to join in there. Okay, I guess that was how they were managing to make their way in there. Hey, guess what I've got here? That's right. We've got some black locust to propagate, so we're going to get busy with that. And of course, I've got to get my apon and my oca and a few other things planted. Whew, I'm going to get back to work. Thanks for your help.